Hey Kyle, this is Ryan with TrendLizard.com. We're taking a look at AG again. I know we've taken a look at this before, and I'm guessing you're just looking for an update on that. From a long-term perspective, nothing has really changed here. The advance began in 2008 with a really big move from under 1 all the way up to about 28. From there, it reversed course and took a big dive from about 28 down to 250 over the course of a few years. 2016 has been a really interesting year, first with a massive up move from 250 to about 20, and then with a reversal down and kind of a flatline action that's happened around 8 since then. So the real question obviously is what's going on here? Is this the resumption of the uptrend, or is this big counter trend move still in play? So that's kind of the stance. Last time we looked at it, we took a close look at the 2016 advance. It has a ton of potential in that it looks like a trendy move. It was a real straight line advance, all good stuff. But the point of the matter is, after a trendy move completes, we need to see a counter trend move to confirm that the trend is still up. And what we would have liked to see is for AG to find a low at 850 or above and to resume its uptrend. So that hasn't happened. I think the last time I looked at it was back in October for you, and all it's really done since then is chop around. And the concern here is that this down move is pretty sharp. It looks kind of trendy itself. It looks like it's heading towards a trendy pattern. If it continues down, you just have to call it off, say, hey, look, this isn't a good trading opportunity. Turn your focus somewhere else. It would still take a reversal back upwards through 1150 to give this guy any hope of resuming the uptrend that was so nice and beautiful back in early 2016. So if it's unable to do that, and if it keeps chopping around or it heads lower, you just can't trade it, at least not on the long side. You could potentially short it. And what we'd be looking at in that scenario is something like this, where the pullback that began in 2011 is still in play and could potentially head all the way back down to 250 or so. So that would obviously be a pretty substantial move. And so it could be a shorting opportunity, but again, I wouldn't even consider that until you see this pattern develop into a trendy down move. It sure looks like it's heading in that direction. Conversely, it takes a reversal back up through 1150 to rekindle any hope that this 2016 advance is going to continue. So as is, I personally wouldn't trade it. I would wait for a little bit more information and go from there. So I hope that's helpful. Thank you very much.